If you've reached the age of 60 or beyond and are experiencing signs like tingling hands, weak legs, or persistent joint pain, it's crucial to pay attention. These symptoms often indicate a decline in collagen production, a natural process that accelerates after 60. As a result, many seniors face discomfort and reduced mobility, making everyday tasks challenging. But what if I told you there's a simple, delicious solution? Imagine incorporating 8 powerful fruits into your daily diet to alleviate these issues naturally. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And today we'll reveal exactly which fruits I'm talking about. But before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. We release 3 new videos every week focused on various aspects of health, wellness, and longevity. So if you're into that sort of thing, stay tuned for more updates. Now let's get back to our discussion about collagen-packed fruits. As you age, your body's collagen production decreases, leading to weaker bones and muscles, stiffer joints, and poor circulation. This decline also causes nighttime leg cramps, making sleep difficult and leading to exhaustion during the day. However, you can combat this issue by boosting your collagen intake through your diet. And guess what? There are 8 incredible fruits that are excellent sources of collagen. Let's explore each one and discover how they can benefit you. Number 1. Guava. This fruit is not only delicious and readily available, but also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which support collagen production. Number 2. Noni or vomit fruit. Although its name might scare you, this fruit is packed with L-tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a vital role in collagen synthesis. Number 3. Papaya. This tropical delight contains enzymes like papain that aid in breaking down old waste proteins, allowing your body to absorb and utilize them for collagen production. Number 4. Oranges and grapefruits. These citrus fruits are fantastic sources of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for maintaining healthy collagen levels. Number 5. Strawberries. Not only are they delicious and high in vitamin C, but also contain ellagic acid, which aids in preventing collagen loss. Number 6. Mango. Another tropical marvel that is not only a collagen booster, but also helps improve skin elasticity and reduce joint pain. Number 7. Tomatoes. These versatile fruits are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports collagen production and skin health. Number 8. Watermelon. This refreshing fruit is another excellent source of lycopene, which can help improve skin hydration, elasticity, and overall health. And there you have it, folks. By incorporating these 8 amazing fruits into your daily diet, you can provide your body with the necessary nutrients to maintain strong bones and muscles, improve joint health, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes and take control of your health. So go ahead, give these fruits a try, and enjoy the benefits they bring. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.